Hey guys, so today I will show you how to create a graph based on about the left in here. So the first thing I will highlight the table, then I will go to insert and we need to find about the charts in here. So for this one, we need to select about this one in here, scatter. After that, we can see that we need to adjust about the horizontal line and a vertical line in here. For this one, I will select about horizontal axis and I will double click. So in this one, I need to change about minimum bounds in here. So I change for number 15. The next one is about vertical. I need to double click and I need to change for 0.12 in here. After that, we need to change for the title. The next one, we need to have the trend line in here. So I will select this one, go to trend line, go to this one, more options. So we need to find about the graph. So we need to select this one. If you want to find the relationship, we need to select this one. And that's the answer for you. This is the end. Thank you for watching.